What's up? What it is, YouTube? It's your boy Don't Play Trent, checking in live from the lab. Back at it again with another video here on the little account where I give you guys tips and tricks on how to grow a little account into a big deal. So, without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into. As promised, like I said, told you guys yesterday, I am gonna be trading each and every trade live on this new $1,000 account, this account build. So, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. Today is Friday, March 21st, and this will be the second trade that we're entering in on the on this $1,000 account. The other trade that we entered yesterday, I'm going to update you guys on that trade now. But also I need to show you guys this new trade that I just entered, and so show you guys right here on the charts how we looking. So we just entered a second buy limit order here, and that's just because of this previous area where buyers had entered the market. So today is a new day, a new trade, and we were looking for a new trade, a new setup. And I pretty much wanted to wait for price to come down and retrace before me adding a second entry. So this is my trade number 2. As far as the first trade that we entered down here somewhere, this trade is currently still running, and we've already made this trade break even. So this is a stop loss for this trade. As far as this trade does come back, it's going to take us out here, and then we'll just look for a new setup or just be done for the week. So let me show you guys here on the account. Like I said, this is the trade from yesterday. This trade is currently still running. This is the new trade that we just put in. Currently showing a little bit of drawdown right now. But overall, not a bad trade. Like I said, I do believe once the volume comes in, that price may be able to push up from this area, and we'll wait and see. If price does hit stop loss, then we're just gonna exit these trades and then maybe look for a new setup. But today is Friday, so we're gonna be very light today. Take it easy, and basically not force nothing. So, but like I said, as promised, I did want to share with you guys each and every trade setup. So let's go to my TradeZilla and just document everything. So this is market is pushing up from yesterday's move. This is actually my notes that I took this morning, London session. Daily price, I'm looking for the daily chart to close over 194.200, which is our TPs. Price has retraced back to the 61. Is this the, okay, cool, yeah. So 8 a.m. check-in is when we entered price. Enter entry ENT at, it's actually at 7:55 a.m. is when the buy limit got executed. So it was an A+ entry because I basically felt as though I waited for price to come to me instead of me entering too early or rushing an entry. Pretty much waited. The bias was looking for a small pullback to get in around the 4-hour zone area. So initially I was going to enter somewhere up here, is where I was going to enter at during London session. But price had already took off by the time I seen it. I wanted to enter at this 4-hour zone. I'm like, hey, if price does drop a little bit, price does get cheaper, then I'll enter a buy entry at this previous buy area, which is why I have a random line here, right here at what is that, 192.700. So right here at the QPs where I end up finding this buy entry at. Like I said, stop loss is about 20 pips below it. 20 pips below is a stop loss, and we're risking. So this particular trade, let's find out our risk reward to this trade. So basically 5 times 6 is 30, so we're risking $30 to make $250 on this particular trade. Minimum 250. That's actually changed this stop loss to our runner. This will be, so one of our entries we must make a runner. actually two of our entries. So the first one is going to be 195.750, just in case these bits do want to run. 195.750 is our TP. 5.750. And then TP3, excuse me, is going to be 196.825, which is here, 196.825. Okay, cool. So this is basically our trades for today. Like I said, it is Friday, so we want to keep it very, very tight. Not lose any momentum going over into next week. Like I said, if this trade does hit stop loss, just exit these trades and probably just be done for the day. This is actually our stop loss for the first entry as well, the first trade that we entered. So it'll actually take us out of all trades and we'll just be done for the week. Take whatever profit or loss and just be ready for next week. It's Friday and there's no news today, and it's like, don't really need to force nothing at this point. Don't need to do anything differently. But yeah, as long as price doesn't close, I see prices inching its way towards the stop loss, but as long as price doesn't close below the stop loss, then I feel like we're good to hold this trade. A better stop loss will be under our previous entry. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this will be a better stop loss, but I'd rather not take the risk. Honestly, I'd rather just keep this stop loss consistent, keep it the same, between 20 and 25 pips, no more than 30 pips max. And just let it ride and see what it do. But like I said, this is my trade for today. I really don't see anything else. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my notes. Or random line. And as long as I don't lose no more than $100 in a day, then I am following my rules. So this, I can't lose. And these are my, so this was my pre-market from this morning. So this was London session. Can y'all see this? Can I zoom into this or something? I don't know how to zoom in, but anyway, this was my trade from this morning. You see price was near my 4-hour zone, and then it ended up breaking straight through it, and then I ended up making my my entry here at the previous buy level. So that is pretty much it so far. Let's wait and see if price does hit stop loss. If price does hit our stop loss, and we're just going to be done for the week. This will be the second trade on this $1,000 account build. So we're trying to go at least a good 30 days of just recording each and every entry, each and every trade. Even if I don't record each and every trade, I at least want to walk you guys through the trade and straight trade setup. You know, do my review with you guys. Sometimes I'm like on the go and I'm trading on my phone to where I can't be in front of the laptop. But as long as I come back and then just update you guys on the trades, each and every trade and what happened. It looks like this one is getting very close to fucking stop loss. Very, very close. We do have a QP coming up as well. Yep, 192.500, which is why our stop loss is right below it. I got a feeling this bitch probably gonna hit our stop loss and then take off. see something really quick. Alright, so for like okay, starting to show a little bit of something. Going going in the right direction now. It was just going in the wrong direction. Too damn close. I'm gonna stop off. But looks like it's heading back towards our entry. So it's a waiting game. I'm actually gonna jump off here, guys, and I'm gonna update you guys on this trade, how it play out. You know, if it does hit stop loss, jump back on here, show you guys the account, show you guys the stop loss, and we'll just keep moving forward. But right now, like I said, we're still in until we're not. Yeah, our new trades are pretty much almost back at the entry point. But I don't want to sit here and watch it. You know, I don't want to sit here and monitor and everything. So I will keep you guys updated on the next trade, how this one played out. So this is trade 2. I'm gonna be on to trade 3 if I do find a new trade. But I doubt I'll find another trade today. Probably not gonna take no more trades today. It's Friday, you know, done for the week. And unfortunately, I started very late this week. I started trading on Thursday, so I really didn't have time to do no damage to the account. Pretty much right back at where it started at, unless these trades go up and hit TP. But who knows? We'll see. We'll wait until 10, 11 o'clock. That's when the volume will come in, and we'll see. Hoping that this bitch will push towards the TP. But for now, it is Don't Play Trent. I am checking out. If you guys found any value to this video, please do not hesitate to subscribe to your boy. Leave a comment section. Let me know what. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you trade. You know, let me know how you see the market, and let's motherfucker get this money. But until next time, it's Don't Play Trent. I am checking out, and I will see you guys on the next video.